Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of shirt making. We'll explore the process, step by step, from creating a pattern to the final stitch. Let's get started. First, you'll need your pattern. You can buy a commercial pattern or draft your own. If you're drafting, take accurate measurements. Bust, waist, hips, and shoulder width are essential. Transfer these measurements to paper, creating the basic shirt shape. Consider the style. Do you want a classic fit, a relaxed silhouette, or something more fitted? This will influence the pattern. Next, the fabric selection. Choose wisely. Cotton, linen, silk, and blends are popular. Consider the weight and drape of the fabric. Heavier fabrics are suitable for structured shirts, while lighter fabrics offer more flow. Pre-wash your fabric to prevent shrinking after the shirt is made. This is a crucial step. Now, lay your fabric flat. Pin the pattern pieces onto the fabric, using the grain line to ensure proper alignment. Cut out the fabric pieces, carefully following the pattern lines. Use sharp scissors or a rotary cutter for clean cuts. Once cut, mark any notches or markings from the pattern onto the fabric. These are vital for alignment during sewing. Time to sew. Start by sewing the shoulder seams. Place the right sides of the fabric together and stitch along the seam line. Press the seam open. Next, attach the sleeves. Align the sleeve cap with the armhole, matching the notches. Sew the sleeve to the bodice. Press the seam. Now, let's create the side seams. Place the right sides together and stitch from the sleeve cuff to the hem. Press the seams open. Prepare the collar. Interface the collar pieces for stability. Sew the collar pieces together, leaving the bottom edge open. Turn the collar right side out and press. Attach the collar to the neckline. Then, sew on the cuffs. Fold the cuff in half and sew around the edges. Attach the cuffs to the sleeves. Let's add the placket. For a button-down shirt, a placket is essential. Create the placket by folding and pressing the fabric. Attach it to the front of the shirt. Finally, it's button and buttonhole time. Sew the buttonholes on one side of the placket, and attach the buttons to the other side. Hemming is last but not least. Fold the hem and press. Sew the hem, using a straight stitch or a blind hem stitch. For an invisible finish, give your shirt a final press and admire your work. You've successfully made a shirt. Congratulations on finishing. Keep practicing, and your skills will continuously improve. Thank you for watching.